Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to use automatic scrolling in Notepad, MS Word and other note writing software for Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you by opening the Notepad. So I have tons of text here. So in order to use automatic scrolling, what you need to do is just press the mouse wheel once. I will see here one icon having a two-sided arrow. So now just move your mouse. So you can see here we have separated the shadow. Now say I want to scroll this page automatically from top to bottom. Just move your mouse towards downwards a little bit. So now you can see here it start to move, so you don't need to move your mouse anymore. So you can see here it's automatically moving slowly. So if you want to speed it up, then just bring this down arrow icon more to speed up the scrolling, and if you want more speed, just bring it more down, it will more speed. If you bring more down, it will be more speedy. And if you want to pause it, then just press it on the same alignment. And if you want to automatically scroll from bottom to top, then just move this arrow icon towards the upward direction. So you can see here, and similarly like before, if you want to speed it up, put it more above and more speed, then just put it up more speed. So you can see here, and if you want to pause, just bring it to back here to the default same alignment. So this method will gonna work on every note writing application. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily use automatically scrolling in Notepad, MS Word and other note writing software for Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.